Be Sure to Cook. Welcome to another show of Be Sure to Cook, and I'm going to be making a potato salad with russet potatoes. So stay tuned and let's do this. I'm going to start by peeling each of my potatoes. All right, guys. So I have already peeled the potatoes, kind of nice size. Okay, now I'm going to cut some red bell peppers. Same thing I'm going to do with my green pepper. All right, I have already chopped off half of my celery. I'm going to take this celery and I'm going to cut it very thin. It's 3 small stalks of celery, really cut really thin. All right, so I'm going to chop these also going this way really thin. And we're doing the green also. This is really thin too. Okay, I got a couple of eggs here that I boiled or they boiled for me. What I'm going to do is I'm going to, I know you know how to peel an egg. I'm using a mayonnaise. Some people do use salad dressing. If you like, I happen to prefer mayonnaise with my potato salad. Okay, so this is about 2 cups of mayonnaise is what I'm using. I'm going to add some cracked black pepper, and I'm adding a little of my seasoned blend to this. A little paprika. I'm going to mix that up. I'm going to use some dry mustard. I've got some dill. Dill is kind of strong, so I'm going to add a little dill, just a little, like I was doing pepper, just a little bit like I was doing pepper. And I'm going to mix it up because dill can be very, very, very strong. All right. Remember those vegetables? I'm going to add some vegetables in here. I'm going to mix them up. That was the red and green bell pepper. Look at that. Mm-mm-mm. And that is going to grill. Right. Then I have my celery. All right. Now I'm just going to mix all this up in here. Okay. Then I put about a teaspoon or 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar. Just keep putting you a teaspoon of sugar in there or a tablespoon of sugar and stirring it until it is dissolved in there really good. And keep tasting to see if it's sweet. Okay, got these hard-boiled eggs going on here. I'm going to chop these up. Thin, not whole, not fat. Some people do put them in there really fat. Okay, I had these potatoes and I drained those. And like I said, you got to kind of be careful and you make sure you cook them right, or because it's still starchy, it will start to be starchy. But these came out just like I wanted them to. We're going to take the sauce that I made and we're going to pull some of that sauce in here. And then we're going to just toss this. Okay, after I put this in the refrigerator and left it in here for 30 to 40 minutes, put my spoon in there. I'm going to unwrap this. This is the potato salad. At the end, all I did was sprinkle some paprika on there. I covered some plastic wrap on it, and I put it in the refrigerator and let it sit for at least an hour and a half to get it nice and cold. And I'm going to plate this up. Look at that. See how that came out to be thicker and it came out to look good and thick? Look at that. That is a good potato salad. So here it is, all plated up for you. Potato salad. Potato salad my way. You know what? I love this potato salad. Like I said, I have so many different potato salads, but this is one that I started off with when I was a young girl. I made it up and I liked it and I thought, this is delicious. Guess what? I didn't make this alone. You made it with me. You and me. We did this together. And I hope you come back to do another episode with me and we can do that together. Hey guys, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you all guys later. Bye.